At the playground, everyone noticed the same ball behaved differently each time. One curious helper wondered why the ground could change motion so much. It realized the secret was friction, a force that resists sliding and rolling. On rough surfaces, friction grows stronger, stealing speed little by little. That's why a ride that starts fast can suddenly feel heavy and slow. The helper explained that bumps and grit create more friction with every push. But on super smooth ground, motion keeps going with hardly any resistance. A friendly scientist joined in, saying slippery surfaces mean less friction. Together they taught that friction pushes back, always opposite the motion. They proved friction can help too, like when hands grip a cliff securely. The same idea keeps cars steady because tires need friction to steer. And it keeps kids safe, letting shoes hold the ground instead of slipping. So friction is a balance. It slows motion, yet makes movement possible. Once you know that, you can predict what will happen on any surface. They tested it with a toy car, and the results matched every time. With a smile, they summed it up. Friction is an everyday helper force. Back at play, the kids finally understood why their balls rolled so oddly. Then came a quick quiz, rough or smooth, and what will it do? The answers came fast, and the group got better with every round. They waved goodbye, remembering friction slows things down and helps us move.